Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone in iOS 17 update. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1. Turn on CarPlay under screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Tap on allow apps. On the allow apps page, scroll down, turn on CarPlay. Method number 2. Turn on allow Siri when logged. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Siri and search. On the Siri page, turn on allow Siri when logged. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 3. Enable CarPlay. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap on CarPlay. Tap Available Cars, then select your car to create the connection. Method number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.